Up until recently, it's probably been a year, maybe even 2 years since I really started posting on the Basement Coach YouTube channel. And what I've been doing in that time away has been teaching carpentry and renovation at Conestoga College near where I live, coaching basketball, coaching my son, training kids, and I started coaching at a local university with the women's team, just helping out. And in all that time, it was always in the back of my head to get back to making videos because while I was teaching, so many things that I was doing were coming out and I was sharing with students, and I was really enjoying the fact that I could take these things that I'd learned over 20 years that really couldn't help me much anymore, was really helping other people. And for me, the problem with the channel was a couple of things. One, I had really tried to be really ambitious and have a bunch of different YouTube channels around all the different things I knew. And what it ended up doing is I actually did nothing. So, taking that into account and understanding uh, everything that I know is kind of interconnected. So, I'm just going to make little different series. I'm going to do series about bathrooms. I'm going to do a series about how to get a job in the trades. I'm going to do a series on how to run a business and a lot of business stuff because I found over the years there were contractors reaching out to me asking me questions about different things about my business. So instead of trying to be really, really small, I'm going to try to be just barfing everything I know out into the world and letting it find its place, as opposed to making a place for all of them and hoping people find it. So I'm kind of done with that. The other hurdle I had with making YouTube videos and all this stuff was I really tried hard to make it as perfect as it could be. What I tell my students is done is better than perfect. And what that means is the more you do something, the better you get at it. And I was spending hours trying to edit these things and think the right way to do it. Instead, I'm just going to shoot it out there and spend a little bit of time editing and then get it done. So, as opposed to in the past when I was spending sometimes up to 10 hours a week just working on this one video, I'm going to cap it, do it for 3 or 4 hours on top of recording, and that's it. And if people like it, great. If they don't, there's other stuff out there on the internet. So in the past, I've made a lot of promises of saying, I'm going to do more. Well, we're going to give it a try. And hopefully with these changes, I'm able to put more out there because I think not only will this help people at large, but I can use it for my students as references over time. Hopefully it all works out. That being said, thanks for watching and good luck on your project.